Or a man.
Or a telephone pole.
But puffins are okay.
No man-made.
Puffins are okay.
Or penguins, in France are.
Same
Tiny
difference
houses
according
and
to the
big
fridge.
No naturists.
Yeah, well. Who's photographing all the winners for the paper? Is that Steve?
Where's Jim? Is he out of town already?
Jim McInerney or
Yeah.
Jim Long?
Well,
Jim Long puts-
I thought Jim was gonna
Usually
photograph
Jim
me and
McInerney
get him
comes
to
after
Long.
everything's
I think
done.
he's still here, I heard.
Okay,
so.
yeah.
Is he coming?
He
Yeah.
usually comes in towards the end of the judging and then photographs the winners.
Okay.
Yeah. Did somebody call him and
Well,
remind
that's-
him?
Can we
Go back
a
to,
couple.
Oh, sure.
one more.
One more.
No, I don't think anybody
He
called him.
thought maybe it was upside down once.
Oh,
No, it's right.
now it's right side up.
Yeah.
So there's
But I-
what,
So it's just like the
there's
water
still-
dripping down from the cave that.
No,
Okay, well, the maker has labeled it this way.
Okay, that's the way we're gonna judge it.
huh.
That's
Yep.
right.
They're the
Okay.
uppy
I
ones.
don't know.
There's a name for it.
The uppy one.
Starlight ones.
Storage stagmites. Yeah, they push up with all the light and the other ones hang on. But that could be good.
That, this is nature?
Yeah. Oh,
What?
It's a man-made
object.
That's not natural. Uh-oh. It might have gotten put in the wrong stack.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah, well,
I
there's.
don't think it
Oh,
would
it's
make a
in
difference.
landscape. Oops.
It's okay.
Oh,
It's okay.
It wouldn't have tipped the scales.
Okay. Sorry.
Good catch.
I say, always say, them what complains, have pitch in and do it next year.
Didn't recognize some of the labels.
Yeah.
No,
No. Let's see.
Another one?
Yep. It marked nature though.
How did it get past me? One that was like something
Thank
on
you.
cement. Should it be general or landscape?
They said.
Maybe just put it in 6 or under, since they put it in nature.
General or landscape?
I would go for landscape.
What do you?
That's what it looks like to me, landscape.
They entered it in nature, so they screwed up.
Yeah.
But I usually.
Basically, entrance messed up.
Spider board. Okay. Here we go.
Mary, you've been doing CICCA a lot longer than I
Yeah.
have, but if there's an aggregation or collection of things that are in the natural environment, but they put them together like shelves or something, is that, if, I don't know, I've never been, I haven't been there when it's happened, but, you know, I wonder if somebody would say,
I was
Hand
going
to
to
man.
guess that also.
you know what I mean?
Looks
There was
like
one
the
that was
hand
an
of man manipulated, yeah,
aggregation of objects that are natural, but obviously somebody collected them.
And
I don't
another-
know.
So-
The only thing that it says is that, yeah, is that if images containing a plant or animal found in nature must have been photographed in its natural environment. But I was wondering about, collections of things.
So,
What do you think?
so the hand of man must not be present, like
Right.
actual
In the
presence.
But I mean, yeah,
But then,
like if you saw a
That
plowed
kind of
field, that would be,
line.
even though you don't see anything except the lines in
the
the,
hand of man did that.
somebody did it, and so it's the hand of man.
The same thing with those sunflowers, a man planted those sunflower seeds.
Corn.
But the pile
Well, a
of
sunflower could be, could have,
Well, yeah.
a seed could have blown somewhere, right, and done it, so.
But then also,
But a field of
Well,
sunflowers
that'd be the same
can't.
with garden
Can't be.
flowers too.
Almost all the forests we think are forests are actually planted by man.
Anyway, we're not,
technically, if you get into it,
we're,
but
we're not in the camera, we're not in the Central Illinois Camera Club, contest, but,
I do understand what you're saying,
I
that
just wonder.
shells, but if
Yeah.
you.
Well,
so-
CICCA is very strict about.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Sunflowers wouldn't have been, they're not a
Right.
domestic.
What about the collection of, what do you think?
Well, did the photographer do it, or did?
Anyway, we don't know, I guess we
Well,
make the
did the tide
decision.
do it, or?
Here's the thing, but it says,
It'd be
No,
split.
that-
it
wasn't
must
happening
have
at the time.
been photographed in its natural
And
environment,
it was.
it technically
It's-
is.
it's
so-
In
easy.
its natural
Right.
environment, yeah.
Okay.
It wasn't
we'll go
brought
with
into a
that, right.
studio.
Okay.
But that's a
I'm
good point, because I thought about that too.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready
All
to
right.
start judging?
fine. 11.
11.
11.
11.
9. 8. 6.
6.
12.
12.
12. 10. 10. 12. 9. 10. 8. 6. 5. 7. 6. 7. 9. 9. 10. 11. 7. 7. 9. 7. 11. 8. 5. Out. And that's a whole field of sunflowers, what do you think?
I think it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we didn't,
9.
we didn't use CICCA
Okay.
rules. Otherwise, most of the flowers would be out.
10. 10. 8. 8. 8. 9. 7. 8. 11. 5. 7. 7. 7. 10. 9. 11. 8. 11. 12. 9. 8. 8.
Okay,
Let's see what we have here.
how many did we have altogether? I mean, how many do we need?
You know, hold on. 53. Let's see. What did I say?
So there's 10 and 11 or above.
Maybe, I don't know. Why don't you pick, tell me how many you have in the high categories.
10 or 11 and above.
Okay, I would say,
Do we need any of
that's
the
7.
nines?
We don't do nines.
That would probably be okay.
No,
I mean,
Oh,
if you want, I mean, you could, if you want to look at.
There's
a few
7
more-
and 10.
7 in the
Do you wanna
next,
do it in?
17 is the
Run the
third,
through
the
and
top
see if
third.
there's-
You want to look at the top third,
Yeah, to eliminate some.
just in case?
Could we do in, out for tens?
sure, or we can run them through and you can say.
How many are in 10, 7?
7. And we got 10 at,
Yeah, I mean, if you want to do it out like you did that other time, just maybe pick one or two and then, that'd be enough.
Carry them over.
So our goal is to
Okay.
add to that.
To add to that, yeah, just in
We
case,
have two more.
just get two more, yeah.
Okay.
If we,
And then you can winnow it down after you.
Yeah.
So the top two would be,
So we.
they're just gonna discuss it.
oh, we're gonna discuss it.
So go ahead and
Okay.
put them up, just
Okay.
Yeah, let's go
put them
through
up
it again.
and they'll say in and out, you know, go figure it out.
Maybe, maybe,
No,
no.
It's
Okay,
not
no.
all that. I really like this one.
This is nice, yeah.
This one is bothering me because it can't, is that on asphalt?
Oh,
No,
I don't know.
it's sand.
It's sand.
Is it sand? Then I changed my
Black
mind
sand.
and I like it
Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay,
yes.
so we're gonna keep that one.
Okay, I said it would have been a hand of man.
Right, that's why I
Truck or
always felt
something.
conflicted about it.
I felt the same way, I couldn't figure it out.
I would
Well, I
say,
really kind of like it in a way, but I feel like it's a little too
I
far away.
want to like it.
Yeah, yeah. It has, it's just a little too much traffic too far away or something. It's nice, it's not a bad composition. We only need two though,
Yeah,
right?
I would say there's others, probably.
Well, I'll put it in the maybe file.
Yeah, put it in.
I like this.
You like that?
I like that one.
I like the other one better.
You did, so I like this one better because it, well, because it's curvy.
Maybe we should have done it.
Is the other one over there already?
Is the other one?
I mean,
Yeah.
it's,
The other one had, is there another one
it's
or
okay,
can
I mean-
fly in?
I like
But
the
now-
other one where the
It's over there.
caterpillar's
Yeah,
over
it's over
here,
there, quite a few.
but the light wasn't very well controlled. And I'm not sure it could have been. I might not have gotten anything better. It could have looked flared out.
That one goes over there.
So we already have a caterpillar in
Yeah.
this category. Okay.
keep going. We put that in maybe, they're all maybes.
Yeah, well, maybe.
That one's a definite though.
What I liked about that was it's all vertical.
Mhm. Everything's sharp.
It's all, yeah,
It can
That's-
sharp, it could be a little
Yeah.
deeper.
It's giving me a-
or something.
look at that,
Fades out in the back.
maybe.
Okay.
I'd say no.
I say no, they're too random.
Yeah, no.
That type of shot, they don't have anywhere for you to light.
I'd say no.
Okay, no.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we have
The
This one
caterpillar or the-
And,
with the loop and
okay,
the,
so let's get them up on the,
and this guy is,
Well, we can put.
I mean, you can put them
We
in
can
if
put
you
them
want,
in
and
and we
then,
can see.
you know, put them out.
Go ahead to head with the other caterpillar.
who's probably the same
Either one of
maker,
them.
All right,
That's
lights.
like-
Kelsey Martin. Yeah, Philo. He's a Philo guy.
I saw Jim.
He is. Jim did come in. That's all Jim's stuff right there. Was this it?
Is there a trash can?
I was getting
Or over here, the trash.
landscape you went
trash
there
next to
and
the
then
sink. The trash can's, no, that's the freezer, right here next to the sink.
There we go.
Yeah, and the first one is trash and the second one in the back is recycling.
Oh, okay.
Okay, go for it.
Do we have two caterpillars in there? I don't know. We got a katydid.
Where did the other pen go?
Maybe,
Just gotta make sure this one's.
oh, that's interesting, we don't have the other.
Yeah, so it didn't make it. It just
Huh.
didn't make it.
Okay.
Which one? Other caterpillar?
Yeah,
There were several of this caterpillar.
yeah. That's
And there
interesting.
was one that we kind of liked, but this one's, I now see the profile on the caterpillar and I didn't see it before. Am I right? Is that the, like
Oh, I have no idea how to look at a
a,
caterpillar.
right up here?
Up here,
Yeah, that's the head.
Looks almost like a cat or something like,
Is your house in California out of the
it's probably
ring?
because I'm out here without
Flooding
my
area?
glasses,
In,
Okay, so,
this one I like, this
That's when I heard it on.
perspective, the black and white. I love this, I love the simplicity of it.
I do too.
The sun isn't overdone, like in some cases, you get the
Yeah.
flare or like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
extra, this, I
That's
love
one of the
this.
top ones. I think it should be in the top.
It's absolutely one of my favorites, just because it's so simple. The lines, yeah.
The clam I'm starting to back off a
Is
little
that
on.
close,
I mean,
close to
it
where you took some of your?
was very impactful and dramatic.
I think
and
it's
all.
nice.
It is,
Yeah,
really-
yeah.
It is, I mean, even like the bursts,
yeah, I do like
and
it.
then the,
I just wanted, I guess, is it sharp?
We have
Yeah.
juice and
Oh, yeah.
The color in that
really,
clam
I
is
like it a
beautiful.
lot better now that I have my glasses.
that makes things
And I'm
sharper,
up
huh?
close, yeah.
if you're hungry.
Okay, yeah,
I like
I would
that.
vote those two as being pretty
We're
top.
on,
And you
I
like this one?
think that, I like
this is.
the one on the top
this
at
is
the end.
three we
Top
have
right,
left
yeah.
here. And these are
And this
all good
bird suffers
here.
from the same thing with the other ones that are just standing
Just
still.
hanging out.
It's nice, it's pretty, it's very detailed,
I do like the detail of the wood.
yeah.
Of the
This,
categories.
I went back and forth when we first judged it because it almost looks like
Because we haven't
wall
been
paint.
doing them in order, but-
And that's sort of a good thing, but
Photograph them in
Right.
order,
is it sort of a bad thing too?
So-
Well, it's kind of also
You're right. you
with
probably
the
should.
other
Okay, let me
abstract
find
like
the
ones, there's no focus,
Right, exactly.
but they're kind
Animals
of,
is number one.
I think the colors are really
It keeps you
nicely done.
moving around,
Architecture's number
but it's
two.
not like
So
the
far,
ones that
we're
are
okay.
totally random where you
Black and white
Especially the
is
blue
number
color
three.
in
Yeah,
there.
I know, that was nice.
There's a lot of good ones in here.
Yeah, there are.
I'm struggling with,
I like this because it's all green, but you
Yeah.
can tell there's a difference there.
Yeah.
Like, I thought that was neat.
I really, yeah, again, there are too many good ones in this.
I like this one too.
I love that. It's
So
leading
these
up to
two
the,
categories
Yeah.
need to be moved that way.
This is probably, we've seen this before a lot.
No.
nicely done. I like the color of the flowers, I like the softness.
Bird is in the center though, that's the thing.
Yeah,
That's a good thing.
right?
I feel like
Move
we'll
it,
feel
move it
better
all
if
the
we
way.
kick something
Okay,
out.
well, I know this one from New.
Do you wanna kick the caterpillar out?
I
Is it
do.
what you do?
I'm not
We can-
that crazy about that. Sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah.
And maybe this one too.
Yeah, I'd let that one
This is
go.
lovely.
It is.
Is
I
that
think the
problem?
grasshopper one
That
is,
is lovely. There's nothing
Yeah, there's nothing else
striking,
in there.
right?
And I like the colors, the lights.
It's a lovely shot, but it's not, it doesn't set itself apart from the
Yeah,
others.
yeah.
I think this is about between 300 and 400 times stronger than this.
Do you?
Someone picked up
Well,
your sheet.
I like the drama of the shadow and the,
I think it's great, but do you find it to be a little,
Is that mine?
go ahead, break my heart.
it's not really in focus.
Oh, damn glasses.
It's like, it's just super zoomed.
Oh, you're
Or it's
right,
super
you're right.
zoomed, which,
We were just doing, I think,
Yeah.
but even then, it's not,
This is in focus, razor sharp, but to me, it's just not very interesting.
We went rogue.
exactly. This is way more interesting, it's just not,
black and white's next time.
right?
Yeah, Cartier-Bresson said focus was a bourgeois concept.
I like the one on the top right again.
I like that.
It's
This iris
in
detail.
focus.
That iris, oh.
I think that's what it is.
It's an iris, yeah,
Yeah, it's not ours.
a bearded iris.
I have too many of those in my yard. I like the focus and the detail. Now, the yellow kind of gets a little washed out though.
Yeah, this one, I didn't go for that when we were judging, but once I got up here to the table, it's really, really nice. Too
I like
many,
if
too
you
many good ones.
Compare like the, I guess if we're comparing flowers, this, if you consider this a flower, some may not. That, or bugs. Bugs. I mean bug. Bug.
These two are the same to me, this one's a little different.
Right. Because the bugs are both looking at you. Right?
That's right.
These bugs.
I didn't even see that.
I do like how I can absolutely tell that the bug is looking at me in this. I cannot tell from here what that bug's doing. I just remember, you know.
Well, he's got like 15 eyes on each
Are
side.
they all-
15 eyes on each side.
He's looking at everything.
So one of them's looking at you.
Yeah.
However, how many of these types of photos have we seen in the past? You know, it's been done.
Yeah.
I agree the strong verticals are
Yeah.
nice in that.
I think if this was horizontal, it would not be as strong.
And this is not as strong whether it's horizontal or vertical, I don't think. I mean, it's a detailed picture
Maybe if the bug wasn't, maybe if it was like sitting up in between those two leaves, so it kind of
Oh,
stood
that
out,
would
would
be
be,
cool.
Yeah,
right, but that's not what's happening there.
I'm looking at the yellow flow, kind of curves,
Yeah,
and the bud kind of breaks it.
yeah, and then he's got the two antennae, and you've got these
Yeah.
two green things.
Yeah.
It's got good things, they all have good things about them, that's the trouble.
Okay.
Jim, do you think for our Facebook page, if we had our wonderful guest here take a picture and we could all get in? Okay, let me get my camera and you could use yours too.
What's your question?
Do you like it?
I like
What are
it.
your thoughts? Do you like it
I
as
like
one
it.
of the top?
I like it black and white. I
Okay.
don't think I see it in the top three.
Oh, you do, okay.
Maybe
Okay, so
not.
this
Can we
one is,
kick
there's
us
the
out?
shutter
Yes.
release.
Sure.
And let me just
Can we kick,
get people,
Can we kick your
we
sunflower out over
need you
there?
down this
Yeah,
end.
this one? Oh,
Right, can we?
Okay, yeah.
what about the
You,
birds?
both of you.
Well,
There we
Do you want
go.
to keep a bird?
Can we see everybody?
I don't know if there's anything
If you move that way a bit.
special
Let me see Jim.
necessarily,
Yeah.
but if you were, I mean, I prefer this bird over that bird.
Yeah, this one again
we
is a
see
little bit
everyone?
flat. Something missing in the color or something.
I think that just the branch makes
Well,
it very interesting
They can.
compared to that.
So this one just got on.
What are we doing? Oh,
So this one's gone?
Okay, looking at the camera.
oh, we
Oh,
are?
yeah. Oh.
Yeah,
I guess we are.
There's several. Smile. There you go.
And can you take some with mine too?
Think about this bird here, the light spots, your eyes tend to go to the light.
Yes.
Though it's difficult to capture, that's a warbler.
He gets kind of lost. This one, on the other hand,
But I
is
can see the
outlined
detail
in
here,
white.
it's tack sharp.
yeah, it's really nice shot. I think it's definitely stronger than the B. You taking the B out?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
This is, I really feel conflicted with this one.
I'm okay
Cool.
with, I would be okay with this getting an honorable mention.
Yeah, I mean, it's very, it's,
I think you could keep 5,
Okay,
So
we have
what
to-
else?
thank
We
you.
got
well,
seven.
we need to do a,
because you got
We've got
first,
seven.
second,
So
third.
do we have
So that'd
a
give
1,
you-
2, 3?
That's,
That'd give you four
that's
that's fine.
honorable
4 is
mentions.
Okay.
Now, the trick
Now
is
you
can
have
we
to-
get them in
okay.
order?
we all agree that these two are the
I
top?
like that one a lot. Oh, yeah, those, both of
Those
those, I
two?
think.
Yeah.
Now, you're really, okay,
So if
You're
we all
wrong
get to
for
choose
that.
one, I would choose this.
okay,
For me.
this, I could go either way on that, I'd be good with that. This one, as much as it is beautiful, it just, every time I look at it, it feels like, yeah, I wanna cock the camera a little bit or something.
Yep, I'm with you. I felt the same way.
Straighten it.
Yeah, it's,
Yeah.
horizon's just off.
The horizon's actually
The
not off, the
horizon
mounting
and
is
the
off.
weight of this. It's
mounting's
It's a
off.
combination.
Yeah, I guess the third
So-
judge had a medical issue at 5 in the
Would-
morning.
It's just, yeah.
And he emailed the.
So
text.
honorable there,
That's what happened.
That's it.
We didn't know till we came in.
and this would be honorable.
And it's
Honorable.
it's a good thing.
Because
he's
nobody
here.
likes
He doesn't
that.
have a- you know,
No.
he can
I
just
like
say-
it.
I know.
It wasn't my,
Right.
I think
Plus,
that
he's a bird expert, so
one of these might be
the whole
stronger.
first category
I wish
was
this
like
wouldn't
birds.
be here.
Mm,
It's not adding.
right, it actually kind of distracts, and even that.
And that one too.
Oh, look how cool that looks without those things.
Yeah, then it's
It's all-
really
It's
strong,
all
isn't it?
focused.
Yeah.
It's a
I
really
wish it was a
nice
little bit
print,
brighter
I'd
of
say
a
that.
back- Like the backlight, I wish was a little bit, illuminated a little bit more. Yeah, look at that difference that makes.
Yeah, cropping out that.
See that one?
Now, are we gonna, when we do the,
Critique.
yeah, that's the word, critique. When we do the critique, we need to be sure to remember to point things like that out to people. You know, especially if they're allowed to take them out. I mean, we couldn't when I.
Don't take that yet, Janet.
Oh, I thought this was HM.
Not yet.
Oh,
Oh, or is it?
I think it's HM.
Okay.
I think we're just down to deciding between.
third or HM for, okay.
So I'm bowing out of this one.
I was more hit by that one when we went through and judged, voted, than I was this. This one does look good once you get up close to it. But I guess
great
I would
focus.
lean toward that one.
There's good color in that too.
Not again.
That's beautiful.
Door is too cold.
I mean, only the shell has some glue in it.
Love that.
Yeah,
I know, I
do
love
too.
that.
But the other one,
Oh, I can't.
I go first either way on
Yeah,
it.
me too.
You're
That's
not-
fine, I'm good with it too.
Which one being first? Either one is first.
Yeah, I'd say either one is.
Well, which one is third?
Let's tie for first and tie for,
Third, second. Can we do it second? No ties. No ties.
okay.
I see it at least third on this one here.
This one?
Yeah,
What do you think?
because of the focus in here. I like that one.
I guess once you covered those things up, I guess I agree this maybe should be.
So, HM?
Yeah,
Third.
and it's a really good HM, put it like HM plus.
Oh, all right.
If it was in Freya's world, it'd be, oh, it'd be third. I just put, no, that's good. I like that one. Okay. So this is third.
That means we have to,
Oh,
and we
boy.
don't, none of us care that much, so we could flip a coin. I can't
Okay,
find
I have a
anything I
thought.
don't like about them.
If I'm gonna be very, 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 very nitpicky,
Well, you're the
for
judge.
judging purposes, if the sun was a smidge lower.
I agree.
More space at the top.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Just a
Well, they're
little.
both extreme.
No, but
I mean,
this
this
one,
one's extreme, you know,
No.
but I like it. I love it.
so if you're gonna be nitpicky about this, if the show was just like a little bit this way maybe, but I really think that the sun, there could be a little bit more space up here between the sun and the
Okay,
cutout.
so this is
So-
one, then
So
if we
clam
say,
is one.
Yeah, this is cool. That blue.
this is some of the best use of color I've seen.
Yeah. I just absolutely love this.
I'd like to see that grass a little sharper.
Uh-huh.
It looks blurred, and it could be the wind moving it.
Yeah.
I used to live by the coast, and 100 people will have the same.
Well, then that's also something you've seen before, so it makes it less.
Yeah, but I've seen this too,
Usually around.
Oh,
but not the
I've
colors.
never seen that.
How many were there last year?
Terrific.
Seniority.
337, 10 less than last year.
Janet, what?
Serenity.
Second place.
Yeah, second place for Serenity.
And make a note that we did that because of their titles.
Title.
I always tell them, the judges never see the titles.
No, it shouldn't be either.
Our next meeting is, what, a week from
That
Monday?
looks so cool.
Yeah.
Come over here
Okay,
too.
next meeting's a week
What is,
from Monday.
what is
I'm
it?
not sure.
6:30.
Yeah. We have Leadership Monday and then the regular meeting.
This Monday?
Leadership this coming Monday and day after tomorrow. And then the regular meeting is the following Monday.
Leadership.